question I have for you. Tell me something about yourself.
In a social manner, as we all know that we are social human beings, and in this way firstly I am a human being, then I am a girl, after that I am a cute little baby of my parents, after that I am a student, then I am something after that.
Okay. So what makes you so confident? I generally see in the classroom you are very bold. You generally argue with people you don't fear. So what's the source of your motivation, your courage, your confidence?
Because whenever we go outside in educational stream, in any classroom, any sessions, we all know that always parents always stop us to speak more and more, because they always say that you are a girl, you have to keep your mouth like you have to speak some little only. But in the session, you are the only one who said to everyone, speak more than you can. If you will speak more, you will become much more confident. That's why this is only the classroom, this is the only stage where I always got the chance to speak more and more. This thing makes me more confident and bold girl at the front of everyone.
Could you please share a moment when you faced low confidence in your life?
Yeah.
And how did you react to it?
Can you please ask this question once again?
I'm saying, could you please share a moment when you felt underconfident and how did you act to it?
Whenever I go to outside, I went somewhere outside. It was about this classroom in Arya Education. It was my second or third day. I went to the stage, and you asked to me to start speaking on the stage. It was the interview session also. Then one boy said to me that who asked to you for your name, for your introduction. And on that time I feel really very low, because I was thinking that he is trying to pull me down, he is trying to insulting me at front of all people. Then on the if I will talk about my reaction, it was really very anger type reaction, because I can't tolerate anyone at the front of my face. That is I can't tolerate a person who can try to make me down at the front of everyone.
Okay, so how do you deal with naysayers, those pull you down?
But after that class, so many times I learned a lesson. If you are thinking that somebody is pulling you down, so just ignore and wait for a moment. When moment will come to him or her, the time will tell them by its own self.
Okay, so do you believe in taking revenge or leaving people up to their decision or up to their karma? What do you believe in?
I learned it to you, because you said to me, and I will never forget this line: only strong people leave the people. Only strong person.
All strong people forgive.
Only strong people forgive, and the weak people take revenges. For make myself strong at the front of everyone, I will not take revenge with anyone, because I'm not strong for outside only. I'm strong internally. I will prove it at front of everyone who knows me, even who don't know about me.
I'm really glad that you have learned one thing from me, but I think in future you will learn more. There is one more line: intelligent people ignore.
Yeah, I also learned this line from you.
Okay. So what fear have you overcome or are you working to overcome? Do you have any fear?
Actually, I don't know what is the fear, because I had not faced any kind of this fear and fearful situation. But if we normally talk about the fearful situation, then the most fearful situation of every person's life, waiting for the result after the exams. It is the fearful. Either it's an exam for your life, for your future, for your classroom, for your college. It will always be a difficult time for everyone.
Okay, what is one thing that you are desperately waiting for? Right now, is there anything in your life you are waiting desperately?
I am really very desperately waiting for to make myself successful.
Make my successful, but you have just passed out your 12th. Why are you thinking so much early?
Because
Are you not desperate about your college life? You will go, you will wear new clothes, you will make number of friends.
actually you are saying that why are you thinking really very early, then I want to tell you that if we do not think earlier for everything, then in this situation we can't make us prepare, we can't make us pre-prepare for any situation. I will tell you, for my 12th class, I was preparing myself from my 12th class, from my 10th class.
Okay, just tell me one thing. Don't you think like maturity at very young age will kill your innocence, your fun, your entertainment? Early maturity, don't you think? Or do you think it will help you in your career?
I don't think maturity is kill ourselves, because now in a day it's a running period for everyone. Nobody wants to wait for their future, wait for their success. They all are racing in the race of future. They all are running in the race of future. And if we really want to be a successful, then we have to make ourselves aware before the time.
Okay. What is something that you want us to know about you that you think that we are not aware and we should know about you?
I think you all must have to know about my angerness, because I am really very angry girl. If I will really मतलब उस स्टेज पर पहुंच जाऊं,
If I once reach that stage in my life,
if I once reach on that stage in my life, I will easily kill a person who is वो होते हैं ना बॉडी बिल्डर,
bouncers.
who is bouncer. Even I kill the bouncer easily. My anger is really very tough. Nobody can't handle, even my mom, dad, even my nobody can't handle my anger. And so many of times I had so many of people had already faced.
Are you talking about Jatin and Om?
No, they are Jatin and Om just like a child at front of my angerness. No, they are just a child. If I like lion, do you know about lion? And us, we are people, and when lion roars, then we just fear easily.
Okay.
Just like that, if I speak loud, just loud, then they will become fearful. So I do not want that.
But you want to say to the people those mess with you?
I do not want to say anything, because I am working on myself.